Food cooked in the pot, the flavor, the unique aroma and the taste is unmatched by no other cooking. This reminds me, through the earth we come, through the earth we go. Every living being is somehow linked to the Mother Earth. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Washef at wareva.com, and today I am going to cook my favorite garlic and spinach dal. Garlic and spinach, I am telling you, this is out of the world dal, and I am going to cook it in a pot. For this, add oil, or what I prefer is, even for tempering, I love to add ghee. Make sure that the ghee melts. In this, we are going to do the tempering of mustard seeds. I love to add a little extra red chilli in this to get the nice flavor. In this, add cumin seeds. You also can add a little bit of methi seeds. You crush the methi seeds and add if you are having the methi dal right away. Add garlic. If it burns, it will get bitter. But you want slight coloring of the garlic. That is what will make this spinach dal very, very special. Once the garlic is getting slight color, add curry leaf and onions. You don't need to brown them, you just need to slightly saute. In this, add turmeric, and the flavoring of little bit of hing water also makes this very tasty. Some hing water. In this, add tomatoes. The tomatoes ooze out the juices, and also in this I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some green chili. Spinach. Spinach may look a lot, but just in 2 minutes of cooking, this will be nothing. Let this cook. In this, I've got the dal ready. In this, little bit of chili powder also makes this dal very, very tasty. Usually I add red chili powder for my tomato dal, and also another flavoring for the spinach dal is nutmeg powder. If you can add little bit of nutmeg powder, this is optional. This will make your dal very, very tasty. The spinach will retain the nice green color because we are not putting any lid on it. When you put the lid, the chlorophyll A, B, the volatile acids don't escape and then discolor. The spinach, I just cooked it for a minute, and in this we're going to pour the dal. Look at the dal. Dal has to be slightly grainy, not fully mashed. Everybody has a favorite dal. Spinach dal definitely is one of my favorite. The nice aroma this one has, and the rich flavor of spinach along with this dal is very unique, and especially when it's cooked in a pot. Once this dal comes to a nice boil, add some butter. Now this is ready to be served on a bed of rice. Look at the dal. Wow. I love this color. This aroma is something special. For this, I am going to enjoy it with rice or banana leaf, and the garlic, the dal. This is my favorite dal. The garlic, the aroma is very, very unique. Rice was not that hot, but this dal is going to make that rice hot, steamy and tasty. Look at this. Dear friends, if you have to really enjoy the food, you have to eat it with the hands, and wow. I think almost a few months after which I made my own personal style palak dal with garlic. God, this is so good. I don't want to eat anything with this because this has such wonderful and so many flavors that I don't want any other accompaniment. I don't even want papad with this. This itself is so good. This pot of dal will finish in no time. Always remember, make great food. Eat best of the best food and keep saying wareva. This is